Google's back with its most affordable Pixel yet, the Pixel 9a. But is it worth your hard-earned cash? Does it still have that legendary Pixel camera? And how does it compare to last year's 8a? Stick around, because today we're testing everything: performance, battery life, camera, and more. Google Pixel 9a, full review 2025, design and display first up. The design. The Pixel 9a keeps Google's signature minimalist look, but this time with a matte plastic back, goodbye fingerprints, and a 6.1-inch OLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate. Compared to the 8a, it's slightly more compact, and the bezels are a tiny bit thinner. Still no wireless charging, but it's IP67 water resistant. Nice. The colors, gorgeous. Brightness, solid for the price. And yes, it still has that smooth 90 Hz for scrolling, though some competitors now offer 120 Hz. Performance and software. Under the hood, we've got the Google Tensor G3, same as the Pixel 8 series. It's not the fastest chip out there, but for daily tasks, social media, and even light gaming, it's more than enough. Gaming? Well, PUBG runs fine, but Genshin Impact on high settings, you'll see some frame drops. If you're a hardcore gamer, this might not be your first pick. Android 14 Demo plus AI features. The real star here is the software. Clean Android 14 with Pixel-exclusive AI features like call screening, magic eraser, and 7 years of updates. That's insane for a budget phone. Camera test. Now, the biggest reason to buy a Pixel, the camera. The 9a has the same 64-megapixel main sensor as the 8a plus a 13-megapixel ultra-wide. No telephoto, but Google's computational photography still works magic. Low light photo and night mode comparison. In low light, the night sight mode keeps crushing it. Way better than most phones in this price range. Portrait mode test. Portrait shots. Edge detection is still the best in class. Sorry, Samsung and iPhone SE. Video quality is good, but not flagship level. Stabilization is great, but mic quality is just okay. Battery life and charging. The 4,300 mAh battery gets you 6 to 7 hours of screen time. Not the best, but decent. It supports 18 watts wired charging, no charger in the box though, and no wireless charging. A bummer. Pixel 9 versus competition comparison chart. Pixel 9 versus iPhone SE4 versus Galaxy A55. Host, how does it stack up against the competition? Versus iPhone SE4. Better screen and camera, but weaker chip. Versus Galaxy A55. More RAM and 120 Hz, but worse software support. Versus Pixel 8a. Minor upgrades, only worth it if the price is right. Section 6. Final verdict. 901 to 10. Oh. Host, so should you buy the Pixel 9a? Yes, if you want the best camera under $500, clean Android, and long updates. No, if you need max performance or wireless charging. B-roll of phone with text overlay, best budget Pixel yet. For the price, it's a fantastic phone. But if you find the Pixel 8a on sale, that's still a great option too. What do you think of the Pixel 9a? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.